Hello and welcome to GT Races. Today I'm doing a little bit of maintenance on my Ragazzon sport exhaust because it really needs maintenance, because I was not very good at it when I put it in last year. It was a very confused video. If you go back to it, you will see it was a very long video and I really didn't know what I was doing, and during the end of that video I damaged my eye. Hot metal in the eye that burnt away my sight. And in all of that, I of course forgot to put in the sealant pasta that's used between the joints of the different parts of the exhaust system. And of course they are, they get hardened when the exhaust gets warm for the first time. I didn't put it in, so I had a problem with gas leakage the whole time. And of course last year I did a emergency band-aid with a aluminium tape that you could wrap it around, and that worked for a while, but not for a long time. Because also when you throttle this car, there's a lot of movement in the exhaust system, and it moves too, and the bands have broken now and everything. So I started taking everything apart, and I want to take it, the Ragazzon exhaust, I want to take it off the car and look how it looks and clean it up a bit and put it back on and have the pasta and everything in the correct way. I also want to look at the original part, the flextube part that comes later, because that is starting to get a little bit old and damaged too. So far in the progress, I have managed to get off the clamp around. So far, the Ragazzon is of course in three pieces. It's first the end piece with the silencer, and then it's a long S curve that is straight, and then I have a straight pipe only like this long, and that is replaced the silencer that is under the middle of the car. That is all three pieces, and the piece between the S pipe and the straight pipe, it was very easy because I had the most leakage there, and damn, it was like I just loosened the clamp, it was boop, completely loose. Right now I'm completely stuck between the end pipe and the S. The bolt and everything for the clamp are completely rusted shut, but I managed to get it out without having to cut it. That's good. But now I can't get it, the S pipe, out from the silencer part. So now I'm stuck at, I have to, from the start I was thinking that maybe I don't need to loosen the two bolts from the flextube, but I think I need to loosen now because I can't get anything to loosen now, so I'm a little bit stuck. But I will look at this now and see what I've done. I have a bit problem here now. I'm trying to get everything to release from each other, but it doesn't. This one is almost free, but not enough. That one, the joint there between this S pipe and the tail pipe with the tail end, it's completely stuck. I cannot get it to move, and I've been hammering like crazy with a rubber mallet and try to get it to move, but no. So the only way now is to, let's see now, take away the two bolts here, that is from the flexitube to the straight pipe, where originally there's a silencer here. So if I can get this to loosen, I can take the central pipe, the straight pipe, out, and I should be able to twist the long S and some way and get it to loosen from the end, because meu Deus, it's so stuck. It's never easy. I thought it would be a fast video, but no, it's not. It's a very slow video, as usual. The middle pipe is out now. This is, as I said again, this is of course a replacement for the silencer. And this side is of course the side that has been leaking, and as you can see, this is a band-aid that I put on, and it has not been working at all. It has been leaking like crazy, especially since the band-aid died again. And well, of course it's black inside, soot, That's nothing normal. This end here is of course the end that is connected to the flexi pipe. And when I turn like this is the upside, and of course you see it has been gas leaking upwards. That's why I didn't see it. So, and you see a bit of corrosion on it, probably from the gas leaking, and that is probably running a little bit hot too, but I guess, yeah. And of course the gasket, I think you could say that this gasket is now dead. I need a new gasket here between the straight tube and the flexi tube. And I want to clean this up. Let's go in and look at how the flexi tube, because I think that I need to replace that too. It's a flexi tube, and this is an original part of the car. I have never changed it, and I don't know, probably this is original from 2006. And you see all the black here. I don't know, I think we have a leakage here too. And on the bottom end there, you can see at the joint here, there's also a little bit of leakage too, because I have some black soot there too. But this one, yeah, we'll really need to replace it. I think we will after we get out the net, can take out the rest of the Ragazzon. The next part is, I think we have to try to remove this one and see how fast I can order a new one. I can barely believe it. We have the whole Ragazzon out. It took a very long time. The worst part was of course this clamp. The first thing you see here, it was, you see how badly injured all the threads are, and this one was new 1 year ago. Imagine that. But I got it out. Maybe I need to exchange the clamp. The other difficult thing was this here. You see, you have a slight angle here, and this one is connected to that end of the silencer, and that was also was a lot of work with a rubber mallet. But I have it out now, dirty as I don't know what. This is the thing I'm a little bit worried about. This is the end, and I think we have a leakage in the welding. Because look at that. That should not be normal. I'm turned around. And look here. We definitely have a leakage in here. I will take a screwdriver. Let's look close up. Let's see if we can see here. And I'll take the screwdriver. Let's see if I can. Of course, I can't see a hole with my eye, but something strange here is it that I manage to get so much soot in this area, because the exhaust come out here, they can't back up here. And as I look on the other side, it looks like it comes out here, then travels downwards. Yeah, I think we need to clean this up before we put it back on, so we get a good sealant and change clamps, new gasket there, and remove this is the old bolts. Look at these. This is the old bolt between the flexi tube and the straight pipe. These we need new too. And last thing, of course, I think we need to remove the flexi tube too and get a replacement for it. I think it's shot. I think this will be it for this video, because I have to go in now and give my kids some dinner, and I'm a little bit at the end now. Of course, tomorrow I think I will start cleaning, and also to remove the flexitube tomorrow, and starting to look at replacement. We need some, clamps, a gasket for the flexitube, a new flexitube, and stuff like that. So, but that we'll do tomorrow. So, I hope you like this video, and like and subscribe, or whatever you like to do. And have a very good day. Goodbye.